Today at Hello Annie, I'm going to show you how to make Indian saagwala that I'm going to serve with my tandoori chicken that you can check out in the previous video. So saagwala is a light curry dish common in northern Indian cooking. The sauce is made from a mix of flavorful spices, onion, fresh mustard greens, and spinach. I'm going to start off with an onion and I'm going to cut them in semi-thick slices because we're going to saute them until sweet and caramelized. Let's chop the mustard greens so everything is ready. This dish comes rather quickly together. Fresh spinach leaves. Let's get sauteing. Add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil to your skillet on medium heat. Then add your onions and saute a few minutes until they get that beautiful glossy color and nice caramelization. Remove 3/4 of the onions. We're going to add them back later to the sauce. Lower the heat to medium-low and add your minced garlic and ginger paste. Our spice mix consists of salt, pepper, garam masala, turmeric, cumin, curry, coriander, chili powder, and cardamom. We're gonna add that to our onions and we want to warm the spices just a little bit to bring out their flavors. No more than a minute, we don't want to burn our spices. Now we're going to add our chopped mustard greens. You can work in batches. Then add your spinach. Stir. It's funny that you almost end up with nothing. But no worries, once this is all blended, it will be enough to feed about 4 people. Okay, so next I'm adding a little of low sodium chicken stock. You can also use water. And we're going to deglaze the pan. Let's remove the greens and add to our mixer. And we're gonna blend that until smooth. We're gonna add the sauce back to the pan. Try to scrape out as much as possible. Now we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of coconut cream. And we're gonna set the heat to medium-high and just let it warm up for another minute or so. Isn't that color gorgeous? Let's add back our preserved onions from earlier. We're gonna stir them in, and at this point you can add some cayenne pepper. Start off with about a 1/2 teaspoon and check to see if you want to adjust the spice to make it a little bit spicier. But at this point our sauce is done. I'm gonna serve this with my tandoori chicken. So be sure to check out my video linked at the end of this video and in the text below. The saagwala tastes amazing with basmati rice and buttery naan bread. See you next time. Enjoy!